If your hair keeps falling out every time you touch it, wash it or comb it, then this video is for you. Hair loss can be scary and frustrating, especially when you've tried several products and you are not seeing results. That's why in today's video, I'm showing you one of the very powerful homemade remedy that helps slow down hair loss, strengthen weak roots and support healthy regrowth using simple ingredients you can find at home. Plus, it's 100% guaranteed. So keep watching. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy. So today's video is really special and very important because we are talking about something most of us struggle with silently: hair loss, excessive shedding, thinning edges, weak roots, hair that just won't retain length. And if you've been searching for how to stop hair loss at home, then this video is for you. And congratulations, because you've arrived at your final bus stop, because this remedy I'm about to show you today is 100% effective and it's gonna give you the result that you've been looking for. And we'll be using these three powerful herbs: cloves, rosemary and fenugreek. Plus another thing we'll be adding along the line to make this recipe even more strong. So I will urge you to not skip any part of this video, as I'll be sharing a whole lot of information, including the mistakes to avoid and how to fasten your results. To start the preparation of this recipe, first we are going to be needing a clean bowl. Then we are going to be adding 1.5 tablespoons of cloves. These herbs right here are so powerful. They help stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, which means more nutrients reach your hair follicles. They also have antibacterial properties, making them very good for itchy scalp and dandruff related hair loss. For the next ingredient, which is rosemary, we'll also be adding 1.5 tablespoons of rosemary. Rosemary is one of the most researched herbs for hair loss. It helps strengthen hair follicles, reduce thinning and support regrowth. Rosemary also helps reduce inflammation on the scalp, which is another cause of hair fall. And rosemary is also great for postpartum hair loss. We are going to also be adding just 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, which is also known as met. Fenugreek is excellent for stopping hair loss faster because it strengthens weak hair roots and reduces excessive shedding, especially for hair loss caused by stress, postpartum shedding, or weak follicles. These three herbs combined together are so powerful and works very fast when it comes to tackling hair loss. Just feel free to make your own findings and research about these herbs. Now the next thing is go ahead and blend these herbs into a powder. You can either blend them or use mortar to pound them. After blending, get a very clean bowl that is heat resistant. Then pour in your blended herbs into it. And the next thing, we are going to be adding some carrier oils. You'll be adding 1/2 cup of carrier oil. That is about 120 ml of oil. In this cup, I have a mixture of olive oil and coconut oil. You can combine the two oils together, or you can either use only coconut oil or only olive oil. Now, after that, you're going to be giving this a very good stir. Make sure the oil is properly combined with the powder. So if you're new on my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming by. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like the video if you've not yet given it a thumbs up. Into a pot of boiling water, you're going to carefully place your bowl of oil. This method is really important because you don't want to fry or burn your herbs, so don't place it directly on the stove. You need to use this double boiler method, as this is going to help the herbs to gently infuse into the oil without destroying or burning any of their nutrients. So you're going to be infusing this over low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you're going to be stirring occasionally. Make sure to stir carefully so that water doesn't enter into the oil. After infusing, you're going to bring this down from the stove and allow it to cool down. Then go ahead and strain this into a clean bowl using a cheesecloth or a strainer that can separate the powder properly from the oil. Now, before we add our next ingredients, here are most common causes of hair loss: weak hair roots, poor blood circulation to the scalp, dry or itchy scalp, product buildup, blocking hair follicles, stress or hormonal changes, excessive manipulation, tight hairstyle, lack of moisture, and scalp nourishment. When the scalp is unhealthy, hair cannot grow properly, and that's why stopping hair loss starts from treating the scalp, not just the hair strands. And that is where this herbal oil comes in. This right combination is going to help stimulate blood flow, strengthen your hair follicles, reduce shedding, and create a healthier scalp environment. Now, into this oil, we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Now, here is the thing: if you're a low porosity hair girly, you're going to be skipping this, or you'll be adding just 1 tablespoon of the castor oil. And that's because low porosity hair does not absorb heavy oils easily, and castor oil is heavy and it can cause buildup. So if you're a low porosity hair girly, add just 1 tablespoon of the castor oil. It's enough. So instead of 2 tablespoons, reduce it to just 1 tablespoon. Now, after adding the castor oil, you're going to really mix this up together properly. Give this a very good mix just to make sure everything is well combined. And after that, into a clean applicator bottle. Make sure your applicator bottle is clean. You're going to be pouring this into your applicator bottle or anything you're going to be using to store or apply this oil. Castor oil in this recipe is also very important because it helps to strengthen the hair root, thicken hair strands, and help slow down hair loss. However, because it's heavy, like I said, it must be used correctly, especially for low porosity hair. So make sure to follow the exact measurement that I used in this video. Except you're producing a larger quantity, then you can go ahead and increase your recipe depending on the quantity of carrier oil you'll be using. This oil is not just powerful, it does not just stop hair loss. It's going to repair your hair strands, it's going to repair your scalp, it's going to thicken up your strands, and it's going to make your hair look really healthy. Now that we are done with the preparation, one other important step is knowing how to use this oil properly for a faster result. And that's what I'll be doing now. I'll be showing you how to properly use this oil to see a faster result. You're going to be using this oil 2 to 3 times in a week, and you're going to be applying it on your scalp, on a dry scalp. Please, emphasis on a dry scalp. Do not wet your hair, okay? Because we are not using this oil to seal in any moisture. We are not using it to moisturize our hair. We are actually using it as a scalp treatment. So you must apply this on a dry scalp, as water can reduce the penetration of this oil into your follicles. Little oil can go a long way, so don't apply too much oil on your scalp in one use. Just make sure to use your fingertips to spread the oil evenly on your scalp as you are applying it. After applying, you're going to be massaging your scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure the oil deepens into your follicles. This particular process is as good as the oil, so please don't skip it. Massage, massage, massage in a circular motion, okay? Now, here are some common mistakes you should avoid. You should avoid using too much of this oil at one go. You should avoid applying this oil daily. You should not ignore scalp cleansing. You should at least wash your hair once in a week or once within 2 weeks. If you're a low porosity girly, don't apply this oil on your hair strands. Use strictly on your scalp. But if you're a high porosity girly, feel free to apply some of this oil to your hair strands, or you can just focus on using it on your scalp. Now, if you want this oil to penetrate faster faster into your follicles, you can go ahead and introduce heat to your hair by covering your hair with a shower cap or a bonnet, or you can wrap your hair up with a warm towel for about 30 minutes. Don't expect an overnight result. Use this consistently, and within 4 to 6 weeks, you should notice reduced shedding and visible results. Thank you so much for watching. As we've come to the end of today's video, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.